Welcome back to my channel. We're going to do a quick Mamba makeup tutorial. I already have my foundation on, my eyebrows done, and a little bit of eyeliner and lashes. Lids are in as well. But we're going to start from here, this base, and go forward. Here are the main items that I'm going to use to transform my Banba Gyaru face to a more extreme Gyaru look. Let's go. Gonna take off, wait, my lash. There we go. It's one off. First item is going to be my Wet n Wild H2O proof eyeliner. Right now I do have some eyeliner on, but I'm going to add more. I'm going to concentrate on the top part to make my eyes look big and to really accentuate my new eyeline that I'm creating. See? I am going to point my eyeliner downwards, and I will do a bit of an eye droop as well. I'm going to gently add in the line. And then thicken it up where I need it to be. So here's the start of my eyelid droop here. I'm going to thicken it up super gently. That starts about mid-eye, or where my contact is. And then I'm going to do a line across my waterline. And I'm going to replicate this eye over here as well.
Gonna let your eyes about where I want it. Just gently. So glad about this one, I could definitely tell that it was not even, so we're even it out.
So even though it's an extreme style, it doesn't necessarily mean that the makeup should be sloppy as well. You can call it elitist if you want, you can call it perfectionist if you want, but why not have your makeup be at its best? I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild stick. I did not know that they made this, and I'm like so happy because I could just find this at a Walgreens now. I used to use the Maybelline white concealer back in the day to go down deep into the depths of the Wild Hunnets to Evergreen Plaza to get my white concealer. And here I'm going to make a bit of a triangle shape. Pat that on. And I will blend. As well as get my nose stripe started. Just like clean it up. The excess there. But you are right though. When you use Fenty's Espresso for the contour. Clean up the sides. So for the majority of the Manba styles that I've done, or the Banba styles, usually my, like between the eyebrow pots is a little bit more narrow. But depending on how you want your nose stripe to look like, you can do whatever you like. You can have it wider, you can have it start a little bit lower. Just clean that up with a brush. I'm going to go in. Usually I like to do this with a different type of eyeliner just so that it really stays and it pops. But don't have that right now. So we're doing what we got. That's a little bit better. Just like mattify it a little bit. I'm gonna take my time to build it up, but I do wonder how it would work for the cheek part. Yeah, the cheek part is like completely fine. It's just like super blended in. But it's just like so creamy, and like the white concealer that I used to use wasn't that creamy. Like it was creamy enough, which like is good, is what you want. Like you don't want it to be like super dry. Um, but this one, like it's really, really, really creamy. A little in here, but it definitely moves like my eyeliner a little bit too much. Definitely gets it a little bit muddier. Let's at least make it a little bit of glitter. Sticking out. Angle my lashes downwards while lifting. Do like a little twisting. To clean up anything that got muddy. Really gently. Nice fine pointed tip. Ah, yeah, but kind of want this. Kind of smoosh it over. And I'll see you in the next video.